If you're planning to go for Hajj in 2025 and you live in the UK, US, Europe or other Western countries, the only official way to book your Hajj is through the Nusuk platform. It might feel confusing at first, but I'll guide you step by step so you can book with confidence. First, visit hajj.nusuk.sa and create an account using your email and passport details. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months after your expected return from Hajj. Once you're signed in, select your country of residence. This helps the system show you the available packages for your region. When registration opens, you'll be able to browse the available packages. There are both economy and premium options, with details about hotels, transport, meals, and group services. Some packages include flights, while others don't. So always double-check before booking. Before booking, you'll need to upload your documents: a clear copy of your passport, a passport-style photo, proof of ACWY meningitis vaccination, and any additional documents if requested. Once your documents are verified, you'll activate your Nusuk eWallet and proceed to payment, usually paid in full through a secure online method. After a successful booking, you'll receive confirmation of your Hajj visa and, if applicable, your flight details. It's important to act quickly because packages often sell out fast, especially from countries like the UK. If you don't see any packages available, keep checking. New slots sometimes open up in later phases. And remember, always book through the official Nusuk website. Avoid unofficial agents or links, as they're not authorized and could lead to scams or invalid bookings. May Allah make your journey easy, accept your Hajj, and allow you to witness the blessed days of Dhul Hijjah in Makkah. Ameen.